Hey my friends, and welcome back to Adi and Rishabh's Tech Show. And in today's video, mm, I okay, can you guys just guess what is the theme of today's video? Just guess, and let me know. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I think you guessed it wrong, or I think you guessed it right. Whatever it is. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna learn this thingy which I'm moving. It's basically assistive touch. Can you just help people see it? This is called assistive touch. This can be in iPhone X, XR, XS, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, iPad, and etc. So, and basically this is in each and every iPhone. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is there. So, yeah. We gonna see how do you move it, what are these features, etc. So let us begin. So mainly, you first should have settings. If you don't have, download from the App Store. What are you saying? Oh, sorry. Settings is there from first. I'm so sorry. Okay, now press settings and then search assistive. assistive. You all know the spelling? Go. Cool. Press the first thing which you get, and then my assistive touch is basically on, which you can see it's on my right hand side. Now if I off that, it goes on, off. Some people think that it's very disgusting coming in the middle of each and everything. Even I thought it, but now I'm keeping it on because I think it does a lot of job for us. Now, once you get in, you get so many type of things. So let us go through it one by one. So from the assistive touch menu, you can on, off it. Then as you go down, and the description is assistive touch allows you to use your iPad if you have any difficulty touching the screen or if you are an adaptive accessory. Okay, now let's see and customize the top menu. Okay, now in mine I have totally 8 icons, so you can add and subtract your icons. Now I have 8 icons, and I can basically change them, or you mean customize them. So I'm basically gonna show you. Oh, it's coming in the middle. Now see, both are the same. Everything is the same here. Now I've kept it on notifications, you can select it from so many things. Then I've kept screenshot, I've kept dock, I've kept multitasking, device, Siri, home, control center. I've kept these kind of things because these are my very needful things. You can customize it and you can reset it too. Then custom actions. Single tap, double tap, long press. It's not of use that much, but still. Custom actions allow you to interact directly with the assistive touch icon without opening the menu. Okay, do you understand? Now this is create a new gesture. Now, custom gestures allow you to record gestures that can be activated from custom in the menu. Now, I can also create a new gesture. This can also be a gesture, but this is saved automatically. Then idle O capacity, mine is 40. O capacity basically means visibility. So if I kept it 15, I can basically see it. Domain, and when you get it, it's basically 40. So 40 is very good. Then pointer devices. Go to devices and select any devices you have. Then this is mouse key. I want to keep it as it is. I don't want to change anything. Show the assistive touch menu when a pointer device is connected. Then always show menu. I've kept it on. This is default. Then I don't want to change it because my iPad is running very smoothly and very perfectly. Then this is dual control. Like it's nothing that much. Like dual control is basically the dual control. When the dual control is enabled, holding the cursor still for the specified amount of time will perform the selected dual action. Okay, I hope you understood it. I understood it. If you don't, try to understand it. No other option. Okay, then you have fallback action. You have movement tolerance and hot corners. Now basically hot corners mean dwell in the control on the screen of the perfect of an action. Now if you have door control open, then only you can access hot corners. Then this is the seconds. I want to keep it in 2 seconds only as it is. Here my iPad is very perfect. So yep, now I'll be explaining each and every um, thing that this um, assistive touch does. So let's begin. So as I told you, like you can customize your assistive touch, but I think that you all should also keep the same thing, okay, for your assistive touch. Now once I press that, if you got a notifications, you can just get this too. Then basically, yeah, then you can I get a screenshot. I don't need to like press the upper button and then the lower button to get a screenshot. I just have to press this and press screenshot. And let's check if it is in photos. It is in our photos. Yay! Okay, I wanna. Yeah, it is there in our photos. Then it does the dock thingy. Now dock is already there. So the lower button is called the dock. The lower button. Wait, I'm just showing you. In a simplified manner, what is a dock? So I am showing you a markup. So basically, a dock is this thing. This is a dock. The down thing, which I like just marked, is the dock. Okay, that is the dock. Done. So I hope you understood what is a dock. So if I'm accessing the app, no. So kind of, it's not only for notes. If I access notes, it is for any app. Now if I'm accessing pages, okay, if I'm accessing pages. So I was like going to talk to you about the dock thingy. Yep, I know. Now there's pages. Oh, pages. Yep, I have pages. Then like basically, if I want this, if I want blank. Yeah. So if I want the dock, okay, if I want a dock, here, I said the dock. What do you mean by this? By the dock? So like basically, this is the dock. I lift it up, down. Okay. Now if I want the dock, how do I do it? If I want to access the dock, basically, like how can I do it? I press the three dots, then I press dock. So the dock automatically comes up. Okay. I hope you understood. Now our next feature is multitasking. Oh, let's do device first. Okay, device. So there's lock screen, rotate screen, unlock screen, volume down, volume up. I hope you understand what do you mean. What is this? Then if I go to more, you have app switcher, shake, dock, multitasking, gestures, restart, and screenshot, as you all know. Then we have control center. As you all know, we had already made a video on this. Then we have home. Oh, we went to home. Then we have Siri. And like I asked Siri something, I said, "Hey Siri." Not like if I already say, "Hey Siri," it does not come because I'm recording my screen. Then the last thing we have over here is multitasking. So I'm gonna show you what do you mean by multitasking. Multitasking means you can open two apps on the same time in the same screen. Yep. So pin new app on the right, pin new app on the left, open new app with slide over. Now I wanna do it on my right, pin new app on the right. Select choose an app from the dock. I want to get photos on the same screen. So I got the photos on the same screen, as you all can basically see. I got photos on the same screen too. I got both on the same screen. I can remove it too. I hope you could see it. If you don't, and some people might not because it's not happening because I'm recording it too. Then like I can access if I want to get this word copied, and like if I wanna paste it, see, on the same side on the same thing. So now it's not only compulsory, you need assistive touch for that. You can like basically wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait, excuse me please. My just cursor went down. I'm checking it. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not only compulsory that it should be in the you only have to do it by assistive touch, like you can do it by normal way also. And it's one more way, it's not compulsory to go to assistive touch and do only dock. You can like just swipe up and then you get the dock. So dock is here. I want access folders, so I'll drag the folders up, and then I will put this over here in the half screen, and then I can basically copy anything I want. If I wanna go to downloads, if I wanna like just see this, and if I like kind of just copy this image and just like press here and then press paste, yep, we got the same pages. So this is pretty much cool and I like it. So yeah, you're done with the functions of assistive touch. We are also done with we also learned how to customize our assistive touch and some basic features of these features present as notification, screenshot, dock, device, handle, sender, home, multitasking, and etc. And Siri, basically. Okay, so if you guys like our video, so just like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, bye.